I promote good subscribers by doing art of their channel. Thank you and subscribe. I draw with Gimp. I draw all sorts of things, but one of my favorite topics is when I find a subscriber or a person that really attracts my attention, and I'll try to redo and make something, a thumbnail or a drawing with them in it. And this is a one of my subscribers, and I'm going to make a thumbnail or an image using captures from their video. I'll give myself the first thing I'm starting off with is a blank 1280 by 720 area. Then I'll come down here and I'll find different things or different images I want to use. I kind of like this one with the tongue out. I think that's kind of funny. And I will use that image in something here. I'm going to take and cut her out and use her in this image on top. I also do these videos in two speeds. One is a high speed and one is a low speed. That way, for people that don't have the time but want to watch, can watch the whole thing magically appear in front of them. And my wife's here doing this funny dance so that I pay attention to her instead of draw. Oh my God. Okay, now I'm going to take and select her out. This tool up here is a path tool. Here are the tool options. And you have the design, edit, and moving that path. But we're just going to take and use design mode, and I'm going to cut her out in that design mode. If you click from 2 points, 2 separate points, you can curve what's inside. This varies the curve and the length that the line is. Now once you stop, you're better off to drag that back up and start from an all new point. And I can just go click, click and not do anything curving in it. But this way I can pull her out from that background and use her separately. And again, there will be a speed video of this available. But I do a full length so I could talk about this channel and at the same time draw. This was the peanut challenge. They were seeing who could get the most peanuts with a chopstick into the bowls, the little bowls in front of them. It was so funny. Oh my God. It was a very good video. It was fun to watch. And the reason I picked this drawing though was because this woman is an excellent subscriber. She comments to me. She comes back. She doesn't make a 2-word comment. She comments, and I say, hey, what's the best thing to do to thank somebody when they're good to you? And that is to try to promote them a little bit. So anybody that watches my videos now will see her and think about this channel. And what I should do first, and I didn't do it, but I'll do it real soon. Now I got her cut out. I got to cut her out first. There she is. Now that's all outlined. Now what I can do is say select from path, and that chooses that area in there. Now if I click outside of that, that area stays chosen. There's something I'm going to show you up here just so you see for a future reference, if you don't know such a thing exists, is there's a path tool. That shows that path right there. And if I click and make it visible, you can see there's the path. Now, since I've got that path, I'm going to, let me go back to my layers here. I'm going to find the image where she is at right here. That's it right there. And I'm going to cut her out of that image. And I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy and paste it on top. Now if I paste it and place it, it'll go in the exact same location. And if I turn that image off, you see she's there to a new layer. She's now in that new layer. And we'll make that layer the same size. Now you see that layer is only that big, small, but I want that layer to be the image size. I think this is a nice way, and this video will be continued. And well, wait, let me see here what I want to do. I know if I do that, I should have her name up in there. This video will be continued. I'm going to use this little short piece as an intro. Edit, copy. And then I'm going to continue this video. Where am I at here? There it is. There on that layer right there. I'm going to say copy. I don't want to copy this one. I want to copy this one here. So I go edit, copy, copy. Then I want to go up here and paste it as a new layer. Paste as a new layer. Now when these are gone, and if I move her, or I move the layer, look, I'm losing track of what I'm doing. Oh my God. As you see, I really do play. And then I can move that wherever I want to. And just select none. And as this video goes on, I will wind up making a thumbnail with it. Take a look at some of my other videos. Don't look at the very first one. Look at some of the others, and you'll see some other people that I have done. This video is going to be continued. I want a very short one for an intro to explain what I'm doing. I find good subscribers and I draw them and try to promote them. Then you have the rights to this video to do anything you want to with it. You could take and copy it, put it up on Facebook. You can cut pieces out of it. And I also do a fast draw. This whole thing will take it'll probably take about an hour, maybe even more. But then I do a fast draw that's about 4 minutes so that image magically appears in front of you. Look at what I've got out there and see if you want to subscribe. Thank you very much, and y'all have a good day.